Parisians live by the rule less is more in both fashion and makeup. They don't overdo it. They're a bit conservative and they take care of the details. Watch how to do French-style makeup using Prouvé MAKE app. In this tutorial, we're focusing on getting a natural look with a highlighted eye. For a properly prepared, moisturized complexion, apply 100% mineral loose powder and foundation with soft circular movements. Choose a color appropriate for your skin tone and, depending on the effect you want to achieve, choose one of 3 types of powder. To play up the features of your face, highlight your brows using long-lasting eyebrow stylist pencil. Choose a shade that is most similar to your natural eyebrow color. Draw small dashes as though you're drawing little hairs. This way, the eyebrows will look more natural. Time for the standout detail. A matte black line on the upper eyelid just along the eyelashes thickens them visually and emphasizes the shape of the eye. Go ahead and get a clear cat-eye effect with a well-drawn line. The next step is the lashes. To get the thickest, longest-looking lashes, carefully apply long and strong lashes CC mascara 2-in-1 color and conditioner. It's shiny. Deep black finish adds a glow. It's time for gentle contouring. Choose a bronzer that suits your skin tone. Apply it to the parts of your face that you want to shape. For a face oval, below the cheekbones, to slim the neck, on the sides of the nose. Remember not to overdo it. Parisians love looking like they're wearing hardly any makeup. To refresh your complexion and add a touch of radiance, use pure natural highlighter. Brush on the parts of your face you want to emphasize. In French-style makeup, blush should subtly emphasize the cheekbones. Be careful not to apply too much. Apply a small amount of blush to the cheeks, then gently blend the edges. And voila! Your makeup is ready!